Item 15 is resolution number 2023-405. I'm gonna read the resolution, but we have a couple privileges. Well, we actually just have one now, privilege of the floor. And after I read that, before a motion is made on that resolution, I was gonna allow the privilege of the floor to come forward at that particular time. We just have one now that's here to speak, so I've spoken to him about that beforehand. So, resolution number 2023-405, reappointing Rose P. Evans Gordon as presiding municipal judge of the city of Dothan at a salary of $176,592 for a term of 4 years, commencing on December 1st, 2023. So now I have someone from the Wiregrass Helps Lodge. They'll come forward, please. And whoever's gonna speak, if you'll just state your name, and then again, unfortunately, I have to remind you that you have 3 minutes.
Hi, I'm Alicia James. Okay, dear Mayor and City Commissioners, I'm here today to give my recommendation for the renewal of Honorable Judge Rose Gordon's contract for another 4 years. Judge Gordon has been an asset to the Dothan Municipal Court for 24 years. Her commitment to criminal justice reform spans over 30 years, beginning with her time at the Attorney General's office. Judge Gordon is a respected pillar of our community. Her character and integrity are truly commendable. Despite the challenges within our justice system, she constantly performs her duties at exceptional levels. Her ability to maintain her call to duty during times of injustice speaks volumes about her commitment to fairness and justice to the legal system. I have personally witnessed Judge Gordon's contribution. She has a positive impact on the community. She is widely admired and respected by everyone she serves. She has always been professional, compassionate, and fair. She is a positive role model for all in the city, especially the youth. As a supporter of Judge Rose Gordon, I sincerely hope that you make the appropriate decision to renew her 4-year contract. Please make the correct decision.
Thank you. All right, we have, other privilege floor, I have been told is, sick and not able to be here this morning, so no other privileges to the floor on that. So therefore, item number, again, resolution number 2023-405, reappointing Rose P. Evans Gordon as presiding municipal judge of the city of Dothan at a salary of $176,590 for a term of 4 years, commencing December 1st, 2023.
Make a motion to approve and not take.
Second motion to approve and not take.
I have a motion and a second to approve. Big part. Okay. Discussion, any discussion?
Yes, Mayor.
Yes, sir.
So, this item was promoted to you 1 week ago. Several of us asked for some additional information. It's gonna take some time. So, I really feel terrible we're here at this point. We need some additional information to make decisions. And I feel rushed with 1 week's notice to do that. We were elected to make the best decision possible. And I'm asking for some time to get that information. I don't know how long it's gonna take. A lot of numbers floating around, don't know if they're true or not. I want to get to the bottom of some of the numbers. So I am respectfully ask that we table it. Yes, motion table.
We have a motion to table or postpone. That means it's postpone the resolution. We have a motion. We have a motion and a second to table the motion.
Just to clarify, is that a motion to table to
Just table. Until we have the information. It takes 2 weeks, 4 weeks, I'm not sure. I don't know how long it takes to get that information. Each week you say, and I want to clarify this, I've seen a lot of information floating around now. If we table this, that the judge is no longer working or employed, she will be. This continues on with her contract. I want to verify that.
Could you repeat that?
That the judge, if we table this agreement, that the judge continues to work. It continues, the contract continues on, it doesn't go away. I've seen some things out there in writing that folks are saying that that would stop. Her tenure, her pay, her agreement with the city, and the way I read it, and I've asked, that continues on. And if anybody can tell me differently, I'd love to know that, so. City
code and the state law provides, that at the expiration of a four-year, appointment, that the judge would continue to serve until a new appointment was made.
And that's one of the other, there's so many things floating around out here. I'm not-
You can take questions.
Well, the mayor might clarify my position on that.
City manager.
City manager might clarify, there's an or.
Okay.
Well, I mean, there's an or.
Yes.
And I would not, I mean, I feel like if my term expired, it expired.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I can't be forced to sit until a replacement. is
No,
found.
ma'am.
That would be my option.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So that's not the way it happens.
It could. I just don't want people to think that if we table this, that the contract ends. It does not. It would be your choice.
Okay. Judge, do you have anything else?
I love my city. And I've given 24.5 years of my life to my city. And the mayor knows his daddy came up there and told me I was a daughter of Dothan. Which if he was here today, I'd probably have something to say to him. But, my term will expire November. I will not have a contract. And I deserve this. I've given too much, I've done too much for my city, and I love my city. And this, I'm sad about this, not for me. I'm sad for my city that we're here. And you know, in the Bible it says, for I heard them say, let us go to Dothan. They didn't say Geneva, Enterprise, Heaven. I feel like we're a special people. And I just want us to do what's right, to show people that we will do what's right. Are there problems, Commissioner? Yes, that we have become aware of in the last 3 weeks, as have you. But once we were made aware of those problems, Ramona has exhausted. I mean, we have come up with an aggressive plan to address the issues that we were made aware of 3 weeks ago. So we're just asking for the opportunity to right the ship. And I would like that it not be tabled. I would like to know today when I leave here, whether I'm retired or whether I really do. I wouldn't ask if I didn't, and I wouldn't put y'all in that position. I know it's been a hard week, and I know y'all been under enormous pressure, city manager. I understand that. And so, but as have I. I spent so much time talking to Commissioner Dorsey and the mayor, I think they wife think we got something going on. Honestly. So I would like to ask that, just let me know, up or down. You know, I love my city and I will love my city. But I'm reminded of when I did not speak for them, there was nobody to speak for.
Thank you. Okay, we have a motion out there on the floor to table and a second to table. So we vote now, just so everyone will know how this works, we vote now, either yes to table it or postpone it, or no, to table or postpone it.
No.
Right?
Yes, that's correct. The motion to table is always in order and is taken.
Right, so if you vote yes, you're voting yes to table it, if you vote no, you're voting no to not table it, and then the resolution, it's on the floor, be the one that you vote on next, okay? Everybody good? Okay. Alright, so then, since there's, I'm gonna ask for a show of hands. All in favor to table the motion, raise your hand. All opposed to table the motion, raise your hand.
So it's 3-2. 3-2.
Yes,
All right.
so the motion to approve is, stands.
Okay. We have to vote on the motion. So the motion to table has been dismissed. We have on the floor a motion to approve, and we've had a second to approve resolution number 2023-42. I mean, 405. So, all in favor to approve? Yes, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Judge, I just wanna be clear with you, I hope you know how I feel about it.
Ah, that's what I wanna hear.
And my point is, there's a lot of information we've been presented with, maybe we're not doing enough to support you in that courtroom, but we don't know, we haven't had a chance to really go through and look at it. So,
People, please.
I understand it's unpopular with this group, and I understand that, but we're elected to do a job, and we have to have as much information as we can. It's not a reflection on you or your character at all, none of it. But we have to look at it in the totality of the whole city's operation. And with all the plans we have to make the most informed decision we can. So that's my only hesitancy. And my understanding was, no action taken, you remain as the judge. And that is the reality. That's what the contract says. That's correct. You don't know what you're talking about. That's the truth. So, that's what we're working on, so that's why we're here today.
Take this vote.
Okay.
We do respect you very much.
So I know this is difficult, y'all, and, because there's been a lot of information, whether we know it's factual or not yet, we're gonna get to the bottom of it. Our job is to make sure the city government is run efficiently and effectively for all of our citizens. So we have plenty of time to do that, and we'll continue to work with city manager and judge on that as well, and, police department, Chief Benny, we'll work on all of that. And then we'll come back with some procedures and processes, effective to be done over some period of time. But we will do that, and we will support Judge Gordon. And,
Amen. Yes.
So, I think, unless there's any other comments.
I just wanted to add to you that we have 12 departments, and, let's not single out one. And we're gonna have the energy we have about our municipal court, let's have the energy about every department.
Don't wait till the last minute.
That's right.
Good?
There was a quote from Martin Luther King that stated, "Nothing in the world is more dangerous than sincere ignorance and conscientious stupidity." And the scripture that I like to line with that, if I may, is Luke 23:34, where it stated, "Father, forgive those, for they know not what they do."
That's right.
I spoke to city manager and we talked, and we talked on several occasions. And, when I stated I did want to come to this, I understand my viewpoint from my fellow colleagues, but the day you voted with your heart, I voted with my heart, and that's all we can do. And that's the right thing to do. I can sleep with this, you can sleep with this, Barry can sleep with this, John can sleep with this. You can sleep with this, all well. I'm gonna leave here today, content, happy, and I'm okay, because I did the right thing. No further comment.
Thank you. We still have on the floor to vote, so all in favor, for this, motion, raise your right hand. Any opposed? All right, well, now motion carries.